Hi everyone, for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the pet video on DreamFace AI. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the DreamFace AI app on your phone. Then in the home page, tap on the pet video option. You can customize your pet video. Then tap Try Now to start customization. Select a pet image from your gallery. You can also add a script and audio. Enter your preferred text script for the video, or you can either choose an audio source, you can import or record your own voice, and you can search for music and other content. And that's it. You can animate your pet. Tap Animate and ensure that your pet's face is centered in the frame. Then tap Continue and wait for the animation to process. That's it. Your animated pet video is ready to share. So let me know if you'd like a further refinements. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your suggestions down below. Thanks for watching.